Introducing the sleek and stylish 2022 Seat Arona PA 1.0 TSI 95 SE Plus 5-door in a stunning blue exterior colour. This powerful hatchback is perfect for all your driving needs, with a fuel-efficient 1-litre engine and manual transmission, packed with an array of comfort and safety features, including air conditioning, cruise control, satellite navigation, multiple airbags, and collision avoidance braking. The Seat Arona also boasts luxurious interior trim, LED lights, roof rails, and a stop and start system for added convenience. Rest assured knowing this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Contact us at or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information.